In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom page break in Google Sheets. If you've ever printed a spreadsheet and ended up with awkward splits across pages, custom page breaks will give you control over exactly where each page starts and ends. First, open your Google Sheets document in a web browser. When you are ready to set up printing, open the print preview. You can do this by going to the File menu and selecting Print, or by using the shortcut Control-P on Windows and Chrome OS, or Cmd+P on a Mac. This opens a full preview of how your sheet will look on paper or as a PDF. On the right side, you'll see the Print Settings panel. Make sure the print option is set to either Current Sheet or Workbook. Custom page breaks are not available if you choose selected cells, so switch away from that if it's selected. This ensures Google Sheets allows you to define your own breakpoints. Next, click the Set Custom Page Breaks option. Your sheet will display blue lines across the grid. These are the current automatic page breaks. To change them, click and drag any blue line to the exact row or column where you want a new page to begin. If you need additional breaks, drag a new blue line from the top or side border into the sheet area. If you place one and change your mind, remove it by pointing to the line and clicking the Remove option, which appears as an X icon, or simply drag the line off the grid to discard it. A quick tip as you place breaks: aim to keep headers, titles, or totals together on one page, so your printout reads naturally. Avoid splitting a single row or important block of data across pages. Take a moment to glance at the preview as you adjust to confirm the flow feels right. When you are satisfied, click the blue Confirm Breaks button. The preview will refresh to show your customized pages exactly as they'll print. From here, click Next to adjust final printer settings such as the destination printer and which pages to include. This is also where you can choose to save the output as a PDF instead of printing to paper. Once everything looks good, proceed to print or save. With custom page breaks in place, your spreadsheet will be organized, readable, and professional across every page. Thanks for watching.